How to recover your Instagram photos and post. So don't worry, there is options to download your data if you mistakenly deletes. Welcome back my YouTube channels for another new videos. If you are new visitors on my YouTube channels, please subscribe and press the bell icons for new updating video. So without wasting time, let's start. Open your Instagram and the lower sections you will find your profile. Click here on profile. And the left corner you will see the more options. Click here on more options, and the lower section you will find the setting. Click on the setting, and the third options click on security, and the lower sections data and history. You click on the second options download data, then fill your email IDs and then request download. To click here request downloads and enter your Instagram password. The next buttons for download requesting to done. So I got mail from Instagram, so I'm going to check my Gmail. So click here, and here is Instagram data. So click here and download. Click here data download. So it's a Chrome. And enter your Instagram password, then login. And the last options you click download data. So click here, please wait. So our data finished downloading. Complete download. So click here and extract file. I choose internal memory, so click here to extract and go to back. Choose the file manager and my folder Instagram backup folder. Here is my Instagram backup folders. So click here, and photos, profiles, all are backup. So thank you for watching.